Dear students, today we are on page number 18 and we will learn about the religious ideas of Vedic people. In the last video, we learned about the 4 ashrams and varnas of the Vedic people. Now, what were the ideas of these people, religious ideas of these people that we will learn? In the religious ideas of the Vedic period, forces of nature such as the sun, wind, rain, lightning, storms and rivers were given the form of deities. Deities means God, I told you. They are giving importance like a God, like deities to these forces of nature like sun, wind, rain, lightning, storms and rivers were given the form of deities. Means they were worshipping these all things like a god, like a deities. Vedic composition pray them to become life-giving forces, and these people literature or composition, their poems, their books, their holy books, they pray or they worship to all of them such as wind, rain, lightning, storm and rivers, and pray them to become life-giving force. They were giving importance to these things and they pray them to become life-giving force. The Vedic people put offering into the yajna fire to please them, to make them happy. These Vedic people, they put offering into the yajna fire. Yajna, here you can see one rishi and he is offering the havi or something in this yajna. We are familiar with this. This is the yajna and this rishi, he is offering something in it with his right hand. It's a picture of yajna, and this offering into a yajna fire to please them means to make them in our favor or to make them happy. This offering were called havi. Whatever this rishi is offering in this fire, these things are known as offerings were called havi. Important it is. Havi means the offerings the Vedic people put offering into the yajna fire to please them. These offerings were called havi. Yajna is the act of offering havi into fire. Initially the yajna rites were simple. Later on the rules of yajna become harder and harder. The importance of priest went on increasing. In it the important is that the person or this rishi is offering something in this fire. These offerings are known as havi, and initially the yajnas were in simple form, but later on the rules of yajna become harder and harder, and because of that the importance of priests or the importance of this type of knowledge person sages went on increasing. Now, people in the Vedic period has thought about how all natural phenomena occur. Now we know how the rain comes, what is the process behind it, from where the wind blows, what is the flood. These all things we know very well. But in the Vedic period, they don't have any idea about this natural phenomena. So the people in the Vedic period had thought about how the natural phenomena means these things like rain, winter, then summer, then heavy storms and so on. This is natural phenomena, and they don't have any idea about like that. Like this natural phenomena, period had thought about the law the natural phenomena occur. Summer is followed by the rainy season, and we know very well summer is followed by the rainy season, and the rainy season by winter. This is a regular cycle in nature. The cycle in nature and the life cycle that moved with it were termed by the Vedic people as Rita. Rita means the cycle, a regular cycle in the nature The cycle in nature and the life cycle that moved with it were termed by the Vedic people. This is known as, or the cycle of the season. In the simple language, we can say the cycle of the season, like summer is followed by the rainy season, and rainy followed by, and the rainy season by winter. This is a cycle, regular cycle, and this cycle of nature or natural phenomena occur, that is known as Rita. The life of all living being is a part of the cycle in nature. Disturbance in the cycle of nature leads to calamities. Everyone should be careful not to let it happen. Nobody should break the laws of nature. It was believed that following these rules was to follow dharma. The cycle of nature